Hello, friends. Do you know what day it is today? Let's figure it out together. Can you look on the board and find the square that has the last shape that we drew in our pattern yesterday? What shape do you see? Can you tell me what color it is? Let's see. Orange circle. If you picked orange circle, you are correct. Yesterday was orange circle, and it was also the 25th. And if we go up to the top, the calendar will tell us that yesterday was Monday. So yesterday was Monday, January 25th, 2021. And if we start at this square and go to the next square, that will tell us what it is today. So let's start by putting our shape of our pattern in here so that we can continue our pattern, and then we know which day it is when we're working on our calendar. What do you think comes after the orange circle? Can you guess? Let's see if you're correct. Let's go back to the beginning and do our pattern together. Orange circle, purple triangle, 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 orange circle, purple triangle. That's kind of a tongue twister. Does your tongue feel a little bit weird? Maybe your lips feel weird from saying purple for so many times. Let's draw a purple triangle on our calendar, and you can do this on your calendar at home or on a piece of paper. You can practice by starting at the top and bring your line down on an angle, then go across the bottom and up to the top again. And then we can color that in. And if you don't have a calendar to color in, that is okay. You can just follow along and say the shapes in your head. It's okay, and keep track for tomorrow. Some people are able to do that. What else needs to be put into our square so that it looks like the other days of the month? What else do we need to tell us what the date is? What do you think? Did you guess a number? The number. And if yesterday was the 25th, what do you think today is? What comes after 25? Wow. Let's go back to the beginning and count together and see if your guess is correct. Are you ready? Count with me. If you don't know all your numbers, it's okay. We will practice together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26. Did you guess 26? 26 is the next number in our month. 26 is a 2 and a 6. When a 2 and a 6 are beside each other, that makes 26. When we put the number into our date, we add a th on the end. So a 26 becomes the 26th. That's right, 26th. So let's go up to the top and let's see, what day is it? Tuesday. Yesterday was Monday, today is Tuesday, and tomorrow will be Wednesday. Do you remember how many days are in the week? Good guess. Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. That's right. 7 days are in the week. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. There are 7 days, there are 7 days, there are 7 days in the week. Good job with the counting. So today is Tuesday, so let's put that in our sentence. Our sentence starts with today is, and today has a capital T because it's the first word in our sentence. So today is Tuesday. So let's put Tuesday into our sentence. We start with a capital T because Tuesday is the name of our day. Then we put a U, E, S, D, A, Y, and then a comma because we're going to put the month next. So today is Tuesday. Tuesday. Starts with a T. Make a T sound. That's what the T says. Like turtle or tumble or tall. Are you tall? Next, we're going to do the month. And do you remember how many months are in the year? Ooh, good guess. Let's count together and see if we're correct. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12 months in the year. Good guessing. And let's say the names together. Start at the top. January, February, March, and April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. Good job. And we are way at the top. We're in January. So it's January. 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 J makes a J sound like jiggle or jelly bean. J. So let's put January after the Tuesday. So today is Tuesday, comma, January. So put capital J because January is the name of the month. So capital J, A, N, U, A, R, Y. January. And the number is 26. So put January 26th, 2, 6, comma. And then we're going to put in the year 2021. 2021. 2021. Period. So the period tells us to stop talking. We're not going to read any more. And then this comma and this comma tells us to pause just for 1 second before we say the next word. Can we try say the sentence together? Today is Tuesday, January 26th, 2021. Good job. Thank you for trying that with me. Did you look outside before we got together today? What is the weather like at your house? What do you think? Is it cloudy? It is cloudy where I live today, but not all the way cloudy. I can still see the sun every once in a while. What about you? Is it cloudy at your place? Snowing? Is it snowing? We were snowing yesterday, but we don't have any snow today. How about sunny? Is it sunny where you are? We have some clouds out, so it's not totally sunny where I live. What about windy? Is it windy where you live? There's no wind blowing today. I didn't see any trees moving, so it's not windy. Well, partly cloudy, partly sunny. That's what it's like here today. Partly sunny, partly cloudy. So let's put that on the board there. And will you help me find it in our weather chart? We need partly cloudy and partly sunny. The first one is sunny, so that's not what we're looking for. Cloudy? Well, it's partly cloudy, but the sun is sticking out, so that's not the one that we want. Cloudy with rain? Nope, not raining today. What about snowing? Nope, not snowing today either. Oh, here's a sun and a cloud, so that's what we're looking for today. Now we're going to do our tally marks. Do you remember how to make tally marks? Start up at the top and strike it down. Up at the top and strike it down. Good job. So we already have some tally marks here. Do you remember how to count them? This one has 1, 2, 3, 4, and a slash through it. That slash means 5. And then we have 1, 2, 3. So 5 plus 3 is 8. And we're going to put one more for today. So we have 8 plus 1. Can you make the tally mark with me? Put your finger up to the top and strike it down. So 8 plus 1. What do you think 8 plus 1 is? Oh, let's double check. Let's see. So this is a 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9. 8 plus 1 is 9. So we've had 9 partly cloudy, partly sunny days this month. Good counting, you guys. You're doing a great job. Let's look at our agenda for today. So here's my agenda, and it's got my name, Celyne, and then an apostrophe S. And this apostrophe S tells everybody that this book is mine. It says Celyne's. Celyne's. So that means it's my agenda. We're going to flip it open. We forgot to check our agenda for the day before yesterday. Remember, I was making a phone call, and I did make that phone call, so I'm going to check that off. And yesterday I wanted to go for a walk, and I did that. So I'm going to check that off. I went for a walk, and I waved at 4 people. I saw 4 people on my walk, so I waved to them, and you know what? They waved back to me. They were very friendly. It was very nice. So today is Tuesday, and we're going to start by printing Tuesday, and it's going to have a capital T because Tuesday is the name of our day. Capital T, U, E, S, D, A, Y, comma, and then January with a capital J because it's the name of our month, A-N-U-A-R-Y, and I've run out of room, so I'm going to bring it down and go back to this side. January 26th, so a 2 and a 6, comma, 26, and then the year is 2021, 2021. And I'm going to practice making my numbers all the way up to 26 because I want to get really good at making my numbers. So I'm going to practice them every day. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and I ran out of room, so I'm going to go down and come back to the beginning. 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. I ran out of room, so I'm going to go down and come back to the bottom. 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26. Oh my goodness, that was a lot. And I kind of scribbled and went into my 25 there. And that's okay because accidents happen when we're practicing. We're still getting used to how our hands move. So it's partly cloudy and partly sunny. So I'm going to do a cloud today. And I'm going to have my sun peeking out here because it's partly sunny and partly cloudy. And today I'm going to do some baking. I'm going to bake cookies. Do you like cookies? What kind of cookies do you like? Peanut butter, chocolate chip, oatmeal raisin maybe? Or a sugar cookie? So I'm going to make some cookies and I'm going to put them on a cookie pan or a cookie sheet, you might call it. And I can get 12 on a sheet. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 cookies I'm going to make. And I'm going to sign my name on here so that I practice my name every day. And then anybody that looks at this picture knows that I drew it. So capital C because it's my name, E-L-Y-N-N-E. And you know what my kind thing is going to be today? I'm going to take some of these cookies over to my neighbor's house. So I have a container that I don't really need to keep, and I'm going to put the cookies in there and give it to my neighbor. And if my neighbor wants to keep the container, he can keep the container. If he doesn't want to, he can give it back to me. That's also a kind thing to do, to wash it up and give it back to me, but it's okay if he doesn't. I'm going to share my cookies with him. I think that would be really nice. He's all by himself and he would enjoy a little treat, so I'm going to share those cookies with him. That's a nice kind thing to do. Do you think you could bake some cookies today and maybe share them with a neighbor or a friend or your grown-up? Maybe you don't have the time to make one, but maybe you have some cookies. You can just share the cookies that you have. Or maybe you don't have any cookies and you can share crackers, or maybe you can make somebody a sandwich. Anything that you have is wonderful to share, and it's a very nice thing to do. So those are some things that we can do to be kind today. If you don't know how to spell your days or the month, you can just start out by doing one letter at a time. And practicing one letter at a time will get you really good at making your numbers, and eventually you'll be able to put them together to make words. So I'm going to take this one out. We were practicing R the last couple of days, and now we're going to practice a new one. And today we're going to practice a Y. Have you seen a Y before anywhere? Start up here and go down on an angle, and then go back up to the top in the opposite direction. You see that? And then it kind of looks like a V, if you've ever seen a V before. And you're going to go down to this point and just bring the Y down. That is a capital Y or an uppercase Y. So we go from the top. Can you do it with your fingers with me? At the top, come down and then up. And then come back down to that middle part and just go straight down. Ready? Try it again. If you have a paper with you, you can try on your paper. If not, just do it with your hand. Start up here, go down and up. And then down from the middle. And now we're going to do a lowercase y. And the lowercase y starts half as tall as the big Y. And we're going to go down on an angle. And then we're going to go back up to the same height over here. And we're going to come back down and pass the line and go down here. So if you have a line on your paper, it will look like this. The uppercase Y stops on the line, but the lowercase y goes down below the Y. So you can try that in the air with me. Put your finger up here, go down on an angle, then go up here to the other side and drag it all the way down, kind of like a little tail. Like if there's a little cat sitting on the line, his little tail would be hanging down, kind of like that. Let's do it one more time. Start up here, go down on an angle, go to the opposite side corner and go down past the line, just like that. So if you practice your letters every day, you'll get really good at making them, and eventually you'll be able to put all your letters together to make words. Yesterday, I was very happy and very excited to go for my walk, and I was even more excited when people waved back at me when I waved to them. That was very nice. That was a very good experience that I had yesterday. So let's see what we have for our feeling faces today. So yesterday I was very happy, very excited to go outside and walking in the snow. The snowflakes landed on my eyelashes and I was able to stick my tongue out and catch some snowflakes on my tongue. Let's see, what about angry? Am I angry today? Do I seem very angry? Are my eyebrows curled up and my frown right here? No, I don't feel very angry today. I'm not very grouchy. Are you grouchy today? What about sad? I don't feel very sad. It would be okay to feel sad. Are you sad today? What about anxious or nervous? Timid, that's also kind of like being shy. Kind of interested in doing something, but a little bit nervous, so I'm just gonna check it out first. Or what about content? Am I happy? Well, let's see. Today I'm going to bake some cookies. I'm going to take them over to my neighbor. I think I might be a little bit nervous. I might run out of time, or I might not have all the ingredients. I should really check to make sure I got all the ingredients. Or maybe my neighbor won't like the cookies. So I'm a little bit nervous. So let's put nervous up for today, and we'll see how the rest of my day goes and see if I'm feeling better tomorrow. So I hope you have a great day. I hope you can find something kind to do today. Share something with someone. It doesn't have to be cookies. It can be anything, even your crayons. Just something to share with someone. I hope you have a great day, and we will see you again tomorrow. Bye-bye, friends. Click the like button and select subscribe so you don't miss out on our future videos.